Hello, and welcome to Mavin Methods. Today I'm going to go over our new SQL Query toolbox that we've added to our map section of Mavin. To give it a shot, we're going to go into one of our maps, click on the View option. You'll see on the left-hand side all of the available features to choose from. In this example, let's say that I want to find a good after-school program that's in my area. So I'm going to view the attribute table. And let's say that the area I'm looking for is Cherry Creek. So I would click on the SQL button here. I have the option of using the calculator and adding a new condition, or I can use the manual SQL editor. With this, you can do a lot more robust SQL queries, but for the purpose of today's example, we're just going to do something simple. So I'm going to choose neighborhood. I'm then going to add in Cherry Creek. And then I'm going to hit execute. You'll see here on the left-hand side in the attribute table, it's selected all of the options that meet the criteria, where neighborhood equals Cherry Creek. You can scroll down and see all the available ones that fall in there, or you can also flip this switch and it will show you just the ones that are selected. And now you can really narrow it down and see just the attributes that meet your selection criteria. Thank you for listening in today, and if you have any other questions or concerns about our SQL query, feel free to send us an email at sales@mapmavin.com. We're always interested in hearing your feedback. Thank you so much and have a great day.